how to create Gmail account. So if you want to create your Gmail account, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your Google or your Gmail, anything that you're comfortable with, and go with the profile which will be in the top right. So if you're using a new device, then you will have sign in option on the top right. But if you have a used device, then you will already have a Gmail account, right? So if you already have a Gmail account and if you want to create a new one, then you can go with the drop down, and here you need to go with add another account and tap on Google, verify with your password, and here it will take you to the sign in page. From the sign in page, you need to go with create account, which is here on the bottom left, and then go with for my personal use or for your work or business. So I'll go with the personal use, enter your first and last name, and then go with next and enter your basic information, which is like your date of birth, your day, your month and year, and then your gender. After selecting your basic information, you need to go with next, which is on the bottom right, and then select or choose your Gmail address, or you can also create your own Gmail address if you want to, and go with next and create your password. So create a strong password. After creating your password, it may ask you to enter your mobile number, or if you don't want to enter your mobile number, you can skip that part, and after that you can go with next and you can confirm your data and your account will be created. That's how you can create your Gmail account, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.